What's up, my friends? Welcome to the channel. I'm Scotty James, and this is the hellraisin.hellraiser channel, where we are all about having fun and raising hell in my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody and my 94 25th anniversary Pontiac Trans Am. Guys, this week I want to show you a few simple mods I picked up for the Hellraiser. Nothing major, just a few little items to spice up the interior a bit. It's going to be real easy to install, no disassembly required. They basically just stick on. Now let me show you what we got. First thing we have are a few adhesive badges from Rebadge Design and Graphics. If any of you guys have Mopars, you may be familiar with this vendor. He makes a lot of stuff for our cars. Here's the first item. The Scat Pack steering wheel badge is designed to cover up the Dodge emblem in the middle of the steering wheel. The second item we're going to install is this little ignition switch cover with the Scat Pack Rumblebee logo on it. And the third and final thing we have from Rebadge Designs are these Scat Pack emblems to put on the key fob to cover up the Dodge emblem. We also have this stainless steel dead pedal cover from Speedlogix. This will install in the footwell and it'll be a perfect match for the accelerator and brake pedals that come from the factory. And the final item we have is this stainless steel parking brake pedal cover from Speedlogix. This will also be a perfect match for the other pedals that come from the factory. Okay guys, here's everything you're going to need to do this job. You're going to want some rubbing alcohol and a nice microfiber cloth to clean off the surfaces before you put the parts on. I also recommend getting some of this adhesive promoter. I got the 3M 06396 off of Amazon, and it was recommended to use for plastic automotive trim. There's another adhesive promoter called Primer 94 from 3M. That's also supposed to be good, but some of the reviews said it was a little strong and it would discolor plastic, so I went with this one. And for the brake pedal, you're going to want to get some epoxy to fasten that on. You can also use silicone. Your Speedlogix recommends you use some type of epoxy, and it's just a more permanent bond. Also on the brake pedal, you're going to have to trim out a little bit of the rubber here on the back if you have an automatic transmission. If you have a manual transmission, you'll be fine just sticking it on as is. So to trim that rubber, you're going to need some type of knife, utility knife, razor knife, and you might even want to use some scissors depending on how you want to do it. Okay guys, that's all the tools and materials you should need to do this job. Now let's go spice up the Hellraiser. Alright guys, we're going to do the Scat Pack sticker for the steering wheel first. Okay guys, next we're going to do the ignition button. There we go guys, what do you think? Okay guys, we're going to do the dead pedal now. For this pedal cover, since it does have 3M tape on the back of it, I am going to use the adhesive promoter, but I would recommend you wear gloves when you use this because I heard it's kind of sticky. This adhesive just comes out in a little foam applicator soaked with the adhesive promoter. Okay, the instructions said to let this dry about 30 to 90 seconds. So let's peel off this backing. Okay guys, onto the parking brake. I believe this rubber pedal just pulls right off. Yeah, if you start at this corner and pull this up here, I think it comes off a little easier. As you can see on the factory pedal, if you have an automatic transmission, you have this little notch right here that's cut out to make room for the pedal. So I guess they're a little different on the manuals. You don't have to worry about that. See on this one, there's no notch. So I'll have to cut out some kind of notch here to match up with the pedal on here so it'll fit flush. Okay guys, we're going to kind of use the factory one as a guide and cut a notch out in this rubber here. Alright guys, let's see if this notch clears the pedal lever. Perfect fit. Alright, let's go back in the garage and mix up some epoxy. Go out to the car and see what we got. First, let's clean it off with some alcohol. You don't want to mess with it till it cures, so just leave it sit. And the curing time depends on the temperature. Let me know what you think, guys. Alright guys, let's do these key fobs. Here we go, guys. Both key fobs now say Scat Pack. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you like all the new mods. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. It helps the channel greatly, and I appreciate each and every one of you tuning in. And we'll see you next time on the hellraisin.hellraiser channel. Guys, thanks for watching till the end. As I promised you, I've got some special bonus footage for you. You guys will remember in my last video, I murdered out my wheels with some black lug nuts, black valve stem covers, and RT valve caps. But I didn't do anything with the center caps. I wanted to know what you guys thought, if we should leave the stock factory ones on, or if you would rather me have them blacked out. So I thought of something for the center caps, and that's what I'm going to show you in this bonus footage. I hope you guys like it. Okay guys, without further ado, here's what I decided to do for the center caps. Hellraisin center caps. These are body colored center caps. You can get them in pretty much every color that Dodge has. They just came in today and I'm pretty happy, guys. So let's get them on the wheels and we'll show you how they look. Okay guys, what do you think of the Hellraisin center caps? But they match the body color perfectly. I got them from a place called Khaos Motorsports. I'll put a link down below so you can check them out. And I think they did a pretty good job. Let me know what you think of them down in the comments.